If you use CapCut often, saving your finished videos straight to an external hard drive is one of the easiest ways to keep your computer organized and protect your storage space. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your export location in CapCut so your videos save directly to your external drive instead of filling up your internal disk. This is a simple workflow that can save a lot of time, especially if you edit large files or work on multiple projects. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and software guides. Now let's jump right in. First, make sure your external hard drive is properly connected to your computer. Before you export anything, check that the drive shows up in your file system so CapCut can recognize it. If the drive is not connected, the folder location you choose won't be available, so this is the first thing to confirm. Once your drive is plugged in and ready, go to your CapCut project and open the export window. This is where CapCut lets you choose the final settings for your video, including the save location. In the export window, look for the folder icon next to the current save path. This small icon is what you'll use to change where the finished video gets saved. Click that folder icon and a file browser will open. From there, browse through your computer and find your external hard drive. Depending on your setup, it may appear with the drive name you gave it, or it may be listed as an external disk, USB drive, or another storage label. Select your external drive and if needed, choose the exact folder where you want your CapCut exports to go. This is a good idea if you want to keep your projects neatly organized by client, date, or video type. After selecting the location, check your export settings, set your resolution and frame rate the way you want them for the final video. Whether you're exporting in 1080p, 4K, or another format, make sure the settings match your project and the quality you need. Once everything looks correct, click Export. CapCut will now render the video and save it directly to your external hard drive. The best part is that CapCut will remember this path for future exports, so you won't have to repeat the process every single time. That makes your workflow much faster and helps keep your videos off your main drive. If you ever want to change the location again, just go back into the export window and choose a different folder icon path. And that's it. Now you know how to save CapCut videos to an external hard drive the easy way. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.